Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and there's an OG cryptocurrency out there that is actually profitable to mine on my 9070 XT. Obviously, this is going to vary based upon your electricity, your hardware, and so on and so forth, but I wanted to share this information with you. This OG cryptocurrency is a privacy coin, but it's not Zcash or some of the other options, and it's not on any of the mining calculators out there. Maybe it might be on what to mine, but it's not on hashrate.no, which is the more popular option out there. If we look at hashrate.no, with the electricity set at 10 cents per kilowatt hour, which I know is not the national average here in the United States, Conflux were negative 33 cents, Qubitcoin negative 50 cents, Ergo negative 52 cents, Ironfish negative 55, so on and so forth. And if we scroll down, you won't see this privacy coin on this list, at least for the 9070 XT. We'll go look at some of the Nvidia options here in a moment. But yes, this coin is called Conceal, and the Conceal network team, in my opinion, is one of my favorites because they continue to build and develop. They're just a small team, but they continue to build, not chasing profitability or speculation, but just build to make blockchain and crypto a better place. Talked about their Authenticator app and a number of other of their resources on the channel. So did my brother, Savage Mine, who's not my blood brother, but you guys know what I mean. And I just wanted to show you that right now, on average, I'm sitting around 69 Conceal or CCX a day with the 9070 XT, which puts me up there close to 90 cents USD right now at the value. Now, obviously, they don't have a lot of exchanges. Some of the exchanges either one went bankrupt or just, screwed over and defrauded people, like Trade Ogre, or they were delisted because there wasn't a lot of volume, and that makes it hard for projects. Any project, you have to maintain a certain amount of volume and this, that, and there's certain criteria you need to hit. And if you don't, then you get delisted. And now it's just pay to play type crypto landscape. It's really hard for a product to get off the ground. So non-KYC is the exchange. You can see the 24-hour volume is not a lot, 2,600 on the USDT trading pair, and then only right underneath $2,000 on the BTC trading pair. But still, average, looking over the exchange over the past couple of days, it's basically a little bit over 1 cent, 1.2 cents, 1.3 cents, 1.1 cents, just 1 cent. And so mathematically, when we crunch that in, including our cost of electricity, which I'm sitting around 240-ish, 236 watts on the 9070 XT, overclocked and detuned as far as voltage, we're making about 31 to 30 cents a day after the cost of electricity. And again, compared to all the other options over here at 10 cents per kilowatt hour, which is what I calculated all this with, we're negative 33, 50, whatever it might be, right? Overall revenue for mining Conflux, 45 cents, Qubit, 32 cents, maybe 35 cents, and the rest are even further below. Now, yes, they have more volume, maybe not Qubit coin, but like Ergo, Ironfish, Meowcoin's a little low as well. Carlson's basically dead, but people are still mining it. Conceal Network offers a number of different tools and use cases to protect your privacy and, earn a little bit of something while mining it with your GPUs. It's Kryptonite GPU, so it's not an ASIC. None of the ASIC manufacturers sought after the Kryptonite GPU algorithm, because you can see some of the coins on here. They're not all that. I even looked at Ryle Currency for a little bit, another OG one that's still around, but haven't seen much from them lately. Profitability-wise, not so good on this one, but, you can, mathematically, we can figure it out. It's around 2 cents at ASBIT, and it's about 1.5 cents on non-KYC. But Conceal is more profitable than the other coins that I can mine with my 9070 XT. Now, if we switch over to Nvidia side of things, I just want to see if Conceal even shows up, because this is the hard part, is now the mining calculators are removing coins if they don't meet a certain criteria as well. Nothing against hashrate.no. I've sent a message to the guys in the past. We do have other tokens, like OG tokens like Firo that's in here, but I don't see Conceal whatsoever. No, there it is, right? So Conceal is on hashrate.no, but it's not showing up for 9070 XT because maybe the data, or they didn't benchmark it because it's not as sought after as some of the other cryptocurrencies. Again, the market's focusing on speculation and whatever's profitable, not other coins. It'd be nice to have all the data for all the coins, regardless if it's profitable or not. But you can see I do have it for what card did we pick? The 4080, and it's negative 17 cents profit, 46 cents a day, 36 CCX. So the 97 XT is actually doing really good as far as hash rate. I was getting 5.2 kilohash. Yeah, 5.2 kilohash at 240-ish watts, while the 4080 seems to be doing about 18 hashes. And is that kilohash? Yeah, it's got to be kilohash. It should be 1800 hashes, unless I'm wrong. But I'm definitely getting 5200 hashes, which would be 5.2 kilohash on the 97 XT. And to me, the 4080, this would read, 1800 or almost 1900 hashes at 168 watts. But you let me know what your thoughts are. I know a lot of people have turned away from Conceal cryptocurrency because, again, they're chasing dollar signs, they're chasing profitability. Maybe that's the only thing they can do, because it just costs so much to maintain your operations, whether you're at home mining or mid-scale, large scale. But I want to know your thoughts. I just want to share this with you. My 97 XT is doing pretty good, making about 30 cents a day USD profit if I'm chasing dollar signs. Otherwise, I am mining to just accumulate some more Conceal to my wallets. But way out in the comment section down below. Do me a favor on the way out, though. Hit that like button. Make sure to get subscribed. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date. So let's check out additional links in the description. That was support the channel and what we do here. And you just have a wonderful day. Take care. I'll catch you next one.